For decades, astronomers have been staring at our cosmic neighborhood and encountering a massive, reality-breaking problem. When scientists measure the rotation of galaxies, they run into a terrifying mathematical anomaly. There is not enough observable matter, not enough stars, planets, gas, or dust to generate the gravity needed to keep these galaxies from flying apart. By every mathematical model we have, galaxies should be violently tearing themselves to pieces. But they don't. Something invisible, something completely undetectable to our eyes and our most powerful telescopes, is acting as a cosmic glue. It surrounds our galaxy and almost every other galaxy in the universe in a massive, unseen halo, holding everything together with an immense gravitational grip. Scientists call it dark matter. It does not emit light, it does not reflect light, and it does not block light. It only reveals its presence by the way its gravity pulls on the things we can actually see. We know exactly how much of it must exist to keep the universe intact, a staggering 85% of all mass in the cosmos. But when it comes to what it actually is, nobody knows. So what are the leading theories? For a long time, the favorite candidate among physicists was a theoretical ghost particle known as a WIMP, or a weakly interacting massive particle. These are hypothesized atomic particles that have mass but rarely interact with normal matter, meaning trillions of them could be passing through your body right now without you ever feeling a thing. However, after decades of building massive, ultra-sensitive underground detectors, we have yet to find a single confirmed WIMP. Another leading theory points to Axions. These are incredibly light, highly theoretical particles that may have flooded the universe during the very first moments of its existence. Or as we discussed in a previous video, the missing mass might not be a new exotic particle at all. Some researchers suggest it could be hidden inside trillions of primordial black holes. Ancient microscopic objects formed at the dawn of time, scattered invisibly throughout the cosmos, betraying their presence only through their collective gravity. There is even a more radical theory called MOND, or modified Newtonian dynamics. This theory suggests that dark matter does not exist at all, and instead our fundamental understanding of gravity is just mathematically flawed when applied on a massive, galactic scale. The truth is, dark matter remains one of the most profound and humbling mysteries in all of science. It is a constant reminder of how much of reality is still hidden from us, silently shaping our very own galaxy from the shadows. What do you think? Is dark matter an undiscovered particle, a swarm of primordial black holes, or do we simply need to rewrite the laws of gravity? Drop your theories in the comments below. Subscribe, because next time we are looking at the exact opposite force, the invisible energy that is actively tearing the universe apart.